Start by identifying where the rubbing occurs and why so you can target the fix correctly. First, tighten the hinge screws and do it in a specific sequence so the door sits squarely. If screws spin in place, remove them and replace with longer screws that reach the door frame stud for better pull. Second, lubricate each hinge pin with a light machine oil or a silicone spray. Remove the pin if it is corroded and clean it before reinserting to restore smooth pivoting. Third, check the gap consistency around the door by sighting along the edges and using a stiff ruler if needed. If one edge narrows, tighten or loosen the corresponding hinge slightly and retest until the gap is even. Fourth, inspect the frame for movement or rot by looking for cracks, soft wood, or paint separation. Tighten loose strike plates and shim the hinge side if the frame has shifted to return the door to true alignment. Fifth, remove paint buildup by scoring the edge gently with a utility knife where it contacts the jamb, then sand lightly to restore clearance without overcutting. Sixth, schedule seasonal checks and inspect after heavy use or storms so you catch small shifts before they become rubbing problems. A common mistake is over-tightening screws and stripping the wood, which makes the hinge loose later. If a hole is stripped, fill with wooden toothpicks and glue or a dowel before reinstalling the screw. Another issue is using the wrong lubricant like heavy grease that attracts dust and gums up the hinge. Stick to light penetrating oil or silicone and wipe excess away after working the hinge. People also often plane or sand too aggressively and create an uneven edge that looks fixed but binds elsewhere. Remove only what is necessary. Check alignment continuously while trimming, and prefer adjusting hinges or shimming the frame first. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and lists projects and contractor profiles to help people find help for door alignment and other maintenance tasks. We also host a discussion community where we share tips, ask questions, and trade experiences so our users and contractors can learn from each other.